Today, new drill alert, we have a footwork drill for you guys. We're going to do it in 4 ways, but more importantly, this is going to be how you move around the ring and you incorporate your footwork. This is not going to be choreography in the aspect where you're going to do this every single time. It's just a way for you to practice these individual footwork specifics that you have to do in the ring. So if you haven't got my footwork vocab video or watch it, I would say just watching that first, then get back here so you can understand the verbiage that we're going to use. But we're going to do this in 4 different ways. We're going to do it off of half steps. We're going to do it off of anchor steps. We're going to do it off of shuffles, and we're going to do it off of shifts as well. But we're also going to circle to our left, and we're going to circle to our right off of this. Now the footwork choreography that we're doing, just so we can get into this drill, is going to be a left-right footwork when we're going to the left, or it's going to be a right-left footwork if we go to the right. And so if I show you what that looks like, if I say left-right, as you go to the left, it would be left-right footwork. If you're going to the right, it's going to be right-left footwork. So it's important to understand that that is the footwork we're doing first before we get into these different things. So the first thing that we're doing is half steps. So if you notice here, I'm going to be left, right, then I'm picking a half step to do. Half step to the left. Then I'm going to drag that right foot back. That is the first part of the drill. Then I would go left, right again, half step to the left. Then I will drag that right foot back. Then I will go left, right again, half step, drag that right foot. Left, right again, half step, drag that right foot. Left, right again, half step, drag that right foot. So that would be how you complete the circling going to the left with the footwork that you would need. Once again, it's not footwork choreography. We're just using those individual footwork verbiage to move around the ring. If I were to move to the right, or actually let's go to the left once again and use the half step going to the right. So I will go left, right, half step going to the right. I could drag that foot back in and I can repeat. Left, right, half step to the right, drag that foot back in. Left, right, half step to the right, drag that foot back in. Left, right, half step, drag that foot back in. Left, right, half step, drag that foot back in. If I wanted to speed up this process, what I would do is I would half step, but bring that right foot back in so I can get back into the circle. So left, right, half step, bring that foot back. 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 So that would be half stepping with the left, half stepping with the right. As we circle to the left, we are now able to do the same thing going to the right. Once again, I told you the footwork going to the right will be right, left. So we would go right, left, half step to the right, bring that left foot back. Right, left, half step to the right, bring that left foot back. Right, left, half step, bring that foot back. Right, left, half step, bring that foot back. Right, left, half step, bring that foot back. So that's how we would move to the right, incorporating the half step with the right foot. Now we're going to do the same thing with the left foot. But I want to duplicate what we did going to the left to the right just so we can make that complete circle for us. So right, left, half step to the left, bring that foot back in. So now I can go right, left, half step, bring that foot back. 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 And so if you notice, I was able to make that complete circle. Now, if we're talking about why we're doing this, it's just a way to weaponize your footwork. You can also weaponize catching counters off of this. You can weaponize pull counters, slip counters, the whole 9, your setups as well. But once again, we're practicing moving around the ring. So that would be how you would do it on the half steps. This is just a basis you can build on top of this. But now we're going with the anchor steps. And we'll go to the left once again. It would be left, right, now I would anchor. 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 I'm still going circle into the left. I'm going left, right, anchor to the right, anchor back in, left, right, anchor to the right, anchor back in, left, right, anchor to the right, anchor back in, left, right, anchor to the right, anchor back in, left, right, anchor to the right, anchor back in, left, right, anchor to the right, anchor back in. Now, if I were to go to the right, we have the same thing similar to us. I'm going right, left, anchor to the right, 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 right, left, anchor to the right. Now I can go anchor to the left, right, left, anchor to the left, anchor to the right, right, left, anchor to the left, anchor to the right, right, left, anchor to the left, anchor to the right, right, left, anchor to the left, anchor to the right, right, left, anchor to the left, anchor to the right. I made that complete circle, and we did it both ways. Now we have the shuffles that we're able to do. Once again, if you're confused on the verbiage, go back to the footwork vocab video I have so you understand the verbiage that I use for my system. I only use this verbiage for my system because if I'm calling stuff from the corner, I want my fighters to know what's being done. I want us to have a word attached to what we're visually seeing. So if you don't understand the verbiage, go back to that video for you. But now we're going into shuffles. Left, right, shuffle. Left, right, shuffle. Left, right, shuffle. Left, right, shuffle. Well, actually, that was an anchor. Shuffle. Left, right, shuffle. Same thing. I can shuffle going to the right off of the left, right. Left, right, shuffle, shuffle. Left, right, shuffle, shuffle. Left, right, shuffle, shuffle. Left, right, shuffle, shuffle. We're going to the right now, so that way we can make sure that we go shuffling to the right, shuffle to the left as we circle to the right, because you got to be able to move both ways. Anytime that you don't practice something or prepare for it to get into the ring, that might be an opportunity for your opponent to take advantage of you, and you'll be out of position, as they say. So, right, left, shuffle, 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 shuffle. That would be the shuffles. The last thing that we're going to do is shifts, and I will talk about how to do this southpaw, and I'll show just one time through, and we'll probably just go one shift or one half step, one anchor, one shuffle, one shift. But let's go orthodox, because most of you guys are orthodox fighters, which means that your left hand is forward, your left leg is forward. So we'll go into shifts right now. So I'm going left, right, shift, left, right, shift, left, right, shift, left, right, shift to go ahead and make it back over. Now I'm going left, right, shift, shift to get back into that spot. Left, right, shift, shift to get back into that spot. Left, right, shift, shift, left, right, shift, shift. Now I'm back in place. Now I'm going to the right to go ahead and do the same thing. I am going right, left, shift, right, left, shift, right, left, shift, right, left, shift. Now I'm going to the left off of that shift. Right, left, shift, shift, 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 right, left, shift, shift to go ahead and make it back all the way through. Now, this is just a way that you move around the ring. Obviously, we worked on circling because that's important as well. So we circled and we used our footwork verbiage as well. But if we're looking at how this might happen in the fight or why this is important to do, so if I do start circling and I get into a left, right, I'm able to move linear, lateral, or continue my circle. And I can do it with all the different footwork options that I have available, which is half steps, shuffles, shifts, and anchors. So if we think about doing the southpaw, for those who want to practice both stances, or those who are in one particular stance, we can do it both ways going southpaw. So if I go to the right first, I am now going right, left, half step, 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 right, left, half step. And so if you see, I can now incorporate this out of both stances. So that way, just in case, if I want to work on my footwork out of both stances, just in case I want to be a switch hitter, at that point, I'm able to do so, right? So that was the half steps going that way. As we go to the left, like I said, we want to speed this process up. We'll go anchors going to the left if I was a southpaw. Left, right, anchor. Left, right, anchor. Left, right, anchor. Left, right, anchor. Now I can go the other way. If I go left, right, anchor, anchor, 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 and I can reset from there. If I go this way, I can go and incorporate the shuffles. Right, left, shuffle. Right, left, shuffle. Right, left, shuffle. And I can make my way back. We can go shifts. Left, right, shift. Left, right, shift. Left, right, shift. What? Left, right, shift. Left, right, shift. Left, right, shift. So that is doing that at both stances, using all of our footwork verbiage. If you're asking how often should I do this? Well, I have a drill that we do 30 seconds a piece, where we go 4 rounds. We would do side to sides, box pivots, shifts, and we do circles. As you get better at those things, you can now incorporate this 30 seconds all the way through. But once again, that's the full circling package that we have. We'll figure out what we want to go ahead and call it. Comments, questions. I make videos based on what you guys ask. But that is the full drill for you, and we'll see you on the next one.